Republican House of Representatives and a Republican Senate, which meant that he could get some things accomplished with the help of folks in those houses of government that can help his or could help his ideas last for a long time. But now that we have a Democratic House of Representatives, some of the ideas that he will want to put forward in the second half of his administration might not work because he has to now work with a Democratic House of Representatives that has a different set of values than he has. So it'll be the case that either thing. Appropriate conversations and appropriate positions, but those deteriorate over the course of hours or days in some instances. So I'm concerned about that. But on the policy, I think that the one thing they will absolutely agree about is infrastructure, money for building roads, money for putting people to work across